After years of rumors, speculation, and endless leaks, it's finally happening. Elon Musk's long-awaited Tesla Model 2 is no longer just a dream. It's real. It's coming in 2026, and it's packing features so shocking, they could change how Americans think about affordable EVs forever. For years, Tesla has dominated the premium EV market. But the question every U.S. driver kept asking was, when will Tesla finally build an affordable electric car for the masses? Well, the wait is almost over. Camouflaged prototypes are already roaming California roads, and the official debut is closer than ever. But here's the twist. The Model 2 isn't just a smaller, cheaper Tesla. Elon Musk's team rebuilt this EV from the ground up with 7 real-world upgrades that could make even Toyota, Honda, and Ford nervous. From airbags that literally think ahead of a crash, to a one-touch door system that works even if the power is dead, and even a revolutionary 48-volt electrical system. This isn't just innovation. It's survival engineering designed for American roads. Stay tuned, because in this video, we're breaking down 7 shocking features inside the Tesla Model 2 that will leave you stunned. But before we dive in, do us a quick favor. Help us grow this channel by smashing that subscribe button, turning on the bell, and let us know in the comments. Would you consider buying the Tesla Model 2 if it launched under $25,000 in the US? Number 1. Proactive Airbag System. Safety before impact. The first shocking feature feels straight out of science fiction. Imagine this. You're driving your family on the freeway at night and suddenly a car swerves into your lane. In that split second, your life depends on how fast your car reacts. Traditional airbags deploy after accelerometers detect a crash, usually 20 to 30 milliseconds later. Sounds fast, right? But at 60 mph, your car moves nearly 2 feet in just that time. Too late could mean the difference between a bruised chest and a trip to the ICU. Tesla's proactive airbag system changes everything. Using Tesla Vision, the Model 2 predicts an unavoidable collision a split second earlier and starts prepping airbags before the impact even happens. Pumps spin up, valves adjust, and when the crash comes, the airbags inflate in the perfect moment to cushion your head and chest. And don't worry. Tesla didn't ditch the old sensors. It combined them with camera data, giving the computer multiple data streams for faster, smarter decisions. This is Tesla turning milliseconds into life-saving seconds. That's not just clever tech, that's family protection. Shouldn't this be standard in every car sold in America? Comment yes if you agree milliseconds save lives. Number 2. One-touch dual path. Door system. No more trapped passengers now. Let's talk about doors. Something most people ignore until they desperately need them. In the US, there have been multiple cases where passengers, even kids, got trapped inside cars during a power failure. NHTSA once reviewed over 170,000 Tesla Model Y vehicles after complaints of doors refusing to open when the auxiliary battery was weak. In some cases, parents had to smash windows just to free their children. Terrifying. The Model 2 fixes this problem with a one-touch dual-path door system. Inside, there's one single button within natural reach. With power, it opens electronically. Without power, the same button mechanically unlocks the door. One motion, zero confusion. On the outside, Tesla added a semi-flush handle with a direct mechanical link. No guessing if the handle will present itself. You grab, you pull, you're out. This is one of those features that seems small until it's life or death. For American families with kids or elderly passengers, this could be the difference between panic and survival. Quick pause. If you're finding these features impressive so far, hit that like button right now. It tells us you want more deep dive Tesla content just like this. Number 3. Sill and pack edge side impact absorption. Built like a safe, let's be real. Side collisions are some of the most brutal accidents on U.S. highways. With SUVs and pickup trucks dominating American roads, compact cars often don't stand a chance. But Tesla's Model 2 is different. It's engineered with a 3-stage side impact absorption system. Here's how it works. Stage 1. An internal beam in the door takes the first hit, directing force into the side sill. Stage 2. The sill, designed with crush zones, absorbs energy gradually, keeping doors from intruding into the seats. Stage 3. The battery pack perimeter and cross members spread the force across the car's floor, slowing intrusion and keeping the cabin flat. The result? More survival space for passengers, airbags that deploy into stable space, and fewer post-crash repairs. Compared to compact rivals like the Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla, which still rely heavily on basic side beams, the Tesla Model 2 feels more like a safe vault on wheels. This could redefine safety standards in America's small car market. Number 4. Adhesive and rivet bonded body. Stronger, quieter, longer lasting. Here's a feature that proves Tesla didn't cut corners just because the Model 2 is cheap. Instead of basic spot welds, the body is assembled with structural adhesive and self-piercing rivets, SPR. Think glue plus anchors. The adhesive spreads forces evenly across seams, while rivets keep everything locked tight. This makes the car stronger, less body flex, fewer squeaks. Quieter, reduced wind noise and vibration. Longer lasting, panels resist corrosion and stay aligned for years. And here's something practical for U.S. owners. This method makes repairs cheaper. If there's light damage, technicians can drill out rivets and reapply adhesive without expensive heat welding. That saves time and money. In short, the Tesla Model 2 may be priced like a Toyota, but it feels like a premium German car when you shut the doors. That's smart engineering. Number 5. Variable thickness hot stamped door ring. Fortress level protection feature number 5 is the variable thickness hot stamped door ring. Think of it as a steel belt wrapping the cabin. Unlike most cars that use uniform sheets of steel, Tesla laser welded multiple grades and thicknesses together. Heavier steel sits where hinges and latches take the most stress, while lighter steel reduces weight in low-stress areas. The result? Higher torsional stiffness, less body flex, stronger rollover protection, roofs don't collapse easily, longer-term durability, doors stay aligned, seals remain tight. This matters for the U.S. especially. With larger trucks and SUVs dominating highways, small sedans usually lose in side crashes. But the Model 2 with this reinforced safety cage gives you confidence you're not driving a fragile budget EV. Would you trust a $25K car to protect you in a rollover? With Tesla's design, you finally can. Number 6. Bolt-on bumper with crush cans and foam, cheaper insurance. Faster repairs. Here's one American drivers will love: cheaper repairs. In the U.S., the average bumper repair costs over $1,200, even for minor fender benders. That's insane. Tesla's Model 2 fixes this with a bolt-on modular bumper system. A foam block handles parking lot taps. Crush cans fold during stronger hits. The bumper beam absorbs the rest. Because it's bolted together, a repair shop can simply swap out parts without touching the car's structure. Less labor, lower insurance costs, faster turnaround. In fact, insurance companies might eventually rate the Model 2 cheaper to insure than rivals, because fewer fender benders will total the car. That's not just engineering. That's putting money back into American pockets. Number 7. 48-volt door architecture, the future of wiring finally. The seventh shocking feature, the 48-volt door system. Every car you see on US roads today, even luxury brands, still uses 12 volts. But that means bulky wiring, heavy harnesses, and higher chances of failures over time. Tesla fixed this by moving to 48 volts, cutting current to 1/4 while delivering the same power. The benefits? Slimmer, lighter wiring harnesses, windows that glide smoothly, locks and mirrors that stay reliable through years of use, cleaner camera signals for Tesla Vision. Most people won't see this, but they'll feel it. Less hassle, fewer failures, and doors that just work. This could become the new standard in the auto industry, and Tesla is once again years ahead. Finally, so there you have it, Elon Musk's 2026. Tesla Model 2 isn't just a cheaper Tesla. It's a complete rethink of what an affordable American car should be. From airbags that predict crashes, to doors that always open, to bumpers that save you money, and wiring that belongs to the future. This is Tesla's shot at redefining the small car market. Toyota, Honda, and Ford should be very worried. Now it's your turn. Which of these 7 shocking features blew you away the most? Was it the proactive airbags, the bolt-on bumpers, or maybe the one-touch doors? Drop your thoughts below. We love hearing from you. And if you found this breakdown useful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next Tesla deep dive. Speaking of which, stay tuned. In our next video, we'll reveal Tesla's latest Giga press innovations and how they're shaping the Model 2's production in ways nobody saw coming. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Because with the 2026 Tesla Model 2, Elon Musk isn't just building a car. He's building the future of affordable driving in America.